There's a baby bird.
It's in the middle of the grass.
Where is he? Where is he?
Straight.
Penny!
But see, they're all monitoring. One bird is up there, one is here.
Penny, don't get too close.
Penny, back up.
Where is he?
Maybe he wasn't out in the field like that. I'd rather him be hiding in the bushes somewhere.
Well, he kind of is hiding, actually.
Can I just go to
Except that
Mommy?
the folks can see from really far away.
If you could camouflage in like the garden, that'd probably be a little better. I might take him over there.
Mom, can I go up here? Dad, I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
go
put him in the
down
garden.
the ladder.
Mommy's not gonna like it, but
Delfina, come here just in case. Well,
I know. You don't want mommy pecking
Which
you.
garden?
I'll get pecked, but I don't want you to get pecked. Where's mommy? There she is. See, mama. Listen, I know this is. Look at her. She's like, I've got my eye on you.
There's a bird up in that tree.
Delfina, come here.
Are you actually recording this?
Yep, I'm recording this. I'm putting this.
There.
Where is it?
This is live? Is this
Don't
gonna
get
be
too
live?
close to him.
Penny, come here. Penny, come here. Come to mommy. Mom, you don't want to look at see the babies right there? You don't want to hurt the baby. Let me go put the baby.
Vera, do you see the babies? The baby's looking at you.
I'm getting away from that mama.
Hmm.
I see her. They're so cute. But mommy and daddy are not happy. I'm gonna just put the baby in the garden.
Why don't you put it in the other tree?
What?
Why don't you put it in the other tree?
Next to the tree?
Yeah. In the other tree, the garden seems so far away.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
It's one of my
they'll-
least
they'll know.
favorite.
Come here. Come on, guys. I got baby. I got baby. Okay. I'm gonna just put her right in here.
Or him. Might be a him.
All right, everybody go wait on the patio.
Come on, guys.
Hello to the baby.
Yep, the garden is one of the most
No, don't touch it.
best places.
Well, I think it's all right. I'll try. Go ahead. At least then.
I said hello.
I want to see him. See? Aw.
I think it'll probably hop right back out again.
Oh, that's good. Mommy to the rescue! I'm gonna get closer, guys. Please like this video.
Here we go. Back in the nest. Might be back on the ground tomorrow, but at least we did our part.
I'll wait a few minutes before moving. You found those? Ooh.
Mom, I have a cut. I have a cut on the back of my foot, Mom. Can you put a band-aid on me?
On what? How'd you do that?
Oh, I just got it on the wall. I was walking.
You okay?
Yep.
We got a band-aid.
Good job, Mom.
Oh, you know me.
Voila.
Everyone
I'm
give
a mother
this
to all
video a
creatures.
like in 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this video, and I think it's the end. Goodbye.